Locked out of your 2019-2021 Acura RDX with a dead key fob battery? Don't worry. This video shows you how to quickly unlock and start your car using the built-in backup methods. We'll cover the mechanical key and proximity start, so you're prepared for anything. Acura advises changing your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years to prevent lockouts. First, find the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. Slide the release button on the back of the fob to remove it. Now, insert the key into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Turn the key to unlock the door. This bypasses the electronic system and gives you access to your RDX. The Acura RDX uses a proximity-based system to start the engine. Even with a dead key fob battery, the fob can still be detected when close to the start button. The fob communicates via low-frequency radio signals with antennas around the vehicle. The mechanical key opens the door, and the proximity allows you to start the engine. With the mechanical key, unlock the door and get inside. Now, with the key fob inside the vehicle, press the brake pedal firmly and then press the engine start-stop button. The car should start. The proximity sensor needs the fob to be relatively close, so try holding it near the start button if it doesn't work on the first try. If this doesn't work, place the fob on the driver's seat or in the center console's fob slot if equipped. If the car doesn't start immediately, ensure the dead key fob is placed as close as possible to the start button. Position it directly in front of or on the button itself for optimal proximity detection. Double-check that you're pressing the brake pedal firmly and holding it down while attempting to start. The brake pedal must be fully depressed to enable the push-button start system. In some cases, you might need to cycle the door lock twice before attempting to start the engine. Unlock and lock the door using the mechanical key, then try starting again. This can reset the vehicle's proximity sensors. To prevent future issues, replace the key fob battery. The RDX uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. You can find these at most drugstores or auto parts stores for just a few dollars. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions on how to open the key fob and replace the battery. Acura Link Remote provides smartphone-based locking and unlocking, but it may not function if the key fob battery is dead, though this is uncommon. The future of vehicle access is shifting toward digital keys on smartphones and battery-free alternatives. Newer models may use NFC technology or kinetic energy systems, eliminating the need for traditional batteries. However, for the 2019-2021 Acura RDX, the mechanical key remains essential as a reliable backup. Remember, a dead key fob battery doesn't leave you stranded. Use the mechanical key to unlock the driver's door, then place the fob inside the vehicle and use the proximity start method by pressing the brake and start button. Replace your fob battery every 1 to 2 years to avoid issues, and always familiarize yourself with these backup procedures. For the most accurate information, consult your Acura owner's manual. Stay prepared and drive safely.